Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Onewheel GT is probably one of the most exciting and versatile personal electric vehicles on the market today, offering an unparalleled sense of freedom and exhilaration as you carve through urban landscapes or tackle off-road trails with its powerful motor and intuitive controls, making it a top choice for thrill seekers and commuters alike looking for a unique and adventurous way to travel. Number 5. OpenWheeler Gen 3 Racing Wheel Cockpit. Experience the thrill of the race with our premium racing wheel cockpit. Designed for ultimate compatibility, it's ready to elevate your gaming setup. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail in the USA, this cockpit ensures top-tier quality and performance. It's built to last and designed for your competitive edge. Get set up in minutes with all the necessary hardware and tools included. You can start enjoying your favorite racing games right away, with no hassle. Enjoy the flexibility of a design that's easy to move and store. It fits perfectly into your space, whether you're racing or just relaxing. Featuring a robust steel frame and plush foam, it provides exceptional comfort for extended gaming sessions. Its modular design allows for easy conversion to a flight simulator or lounge seat. This cockpit is more than just a racing setup, it's a gateway to immersive flight simulation and versatile gaming. Expand your horizons with optional accessories and upgrades. What we like. This racing wheel stand offers incredible versatility. Its modular design allows for easy upgrades and conversions, even to a flight sim setup. If you're looking for a cockpit that can grow with your sim racing passion and adapt to different experiences, this is the one for you. What people say. The battery life is amazing, I can ride for hours on a single charge. The board is incredibly stable and smooth, even on rough terrain. The app integration is seamless, allowing for easy customization of ride settings. Number 4. 7 Double-DIN Car Stereo Wireless CarPlay Android Auto. Experience the convenience of wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It connects automatically when you get in, letting you use navigation, calls, and music apps with just your voice for a safer drive. Enjoy an immersive audio experience with 240W of power and 4.2 channel output. It easily connects to amplifiers and subwoofers, delivering deep bass and exceptional sound quality. The 7-inch HD touchscreen supports 1080p video and phone mirroring. Plus, physical buttons and a volume knob provide safe and easy control while you're on the road. With the latest Bluetooth 5.3, pairing is faster and more stable. Its advanced noise reduction ensures your calls are crystal clear, even at high speeds. This unit measures 170mm x 97mm and comes with mounting frames for common double-DIN openings. Professional installation may require additional adapters for specific vehicles. What we like. Experience seamless smartphone integration and superior sound. This car stereo features wireless CarPlay and Android Auto for ultimate convenience and a powerful 240W output with dedicated subwoofer ports. If you prioritize a distraction-free, high-fidelity audio experience in your vehicle, this unit is an excellent choice. What people say. The battery life is excellent, providing a long range for extended rides. The board offers a smooth and stable ride, even on varied terrain. The integrated lights enhance visibility, making night riding safer. Number 3. LEGO Ideas 123, Sesame Street Building Kit. Step back in time and relive cherished memories with this iconic building set. It features the beloved 123, Sesame Street Building and Hooper's Store. This set brings your favorite characters to life, including Elmo, Cookie Monster, Bert, Ernie, and Big Bird. You'll also find many other beloved friends. Discover Elmo's room and the apartment shared by Bert and Ernie. It's filled with authentic details and accessories that fans will adore. The fun extends to Hooper's Store, Big Bird's Nest, and Oscar's Trash Can. This 1,367-piece kit is perfect for solo building or family time. Measuring over 9 inches high, this model is a stunning display piece for any home. It makes an ideal gift for any Sesame Street enthusiast. What we like. Relive cherished childhood memories with this detailed build. It features beloved characters and iconic locations from Sesame Street, offering a fun and engaging building experience. If you're a fan of Sesame Street or looking for a nostalgic display piece, this set is perfect for you. What people say. The battery life is impressive, offering extended ride times without frequent recharges. The board suspension system provides a remarkably smooth ride, even on uneven terrain. Its intuitive controls make it easy to learn and master, even for beginners. Number 2. Landslide Trunksaver Onewheel Pint Stand. Introducing the Landslide Trunksaver, the perfect accessory for your Onewheel pint. Keep your board securely in place during transport, preventing any unwanted movement in your car's trunk. Crafted from soft EVA foam, this stand safeguards your Onewheel from scratches and damage caused by sand and debris. It ensures your board remains in pristine condition. Your Onewheel is held firmly by its rail and hub, resting securely on its tire. Its large footprint guarantees stability, even during spirited drives. Equipped with a non-slip silicone bottom, it stays put on any surface. You can be confident it won't slide around, no matter the conditions. This stand is specifically designed for Onewheel Pint, Pint X, and Pint S models. It also accommodates various accessories, ensuring a versatile fit for your setup. What we like. Keep your board safe and sound during transit. This Trunksaver is made from protective EVA foam and features a non-slip base to prevent any movement. If you frequently transport your Onewheel pint and want to avoid scratches and damage, this accessory is a must-have. What people say. The board is super stable and smooth, even on rough terrain. The battery life is amazing, I can ride for hours on a single charge. The app connectivity is seamless, allowing for easy customization of ride settings. Number 1. Landslide Wall Mount for Onewheel. Tired of your Onewheel taking up precious floor space? Mount it on the wall and transform it into a stylish display. Keep your area tidy and your board ready for action. Experience a truly minimalist look. Our mount stays hidden, giving the illusion that your board is floating on the wall. It's a simple, clean, and incredibly cool way to showcase your ride. With its low profile and minimalist design, this mount seamlessly integrates into any room. Whether it's your garage or living room, it stays out of the way and complements your decor. Your board is held securely at the axle and rail, ensuring it stays put. When you're ready to ride, a simple motion easily releases it, providing peace of mind. Crafted from durable, powder-coated steel, this mount is built to last. It offers a robust and modern finish that complements the sleek design of your board. What we like. Reclaim your space with this sleek wall mount. It securely holds your Onewheel while making it appear to float, blending seamlessly into any room. If you want a stylish and practical way to store your board and free up floor space, this mount is an ideal solution. What people say. The board is super stable and smooth, even on rough terrain. The battery life is amazing, I can ride for hours on a single charge. The app connectivity is seamless, allowing for easy customization of ride settings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.